Okay, here's two questions where you need to solve for a variable. So I need to manipulate this equation. So I have b1 on a side all by itself. So let me write it. A is equal to half h times b1 plus b2. So I want b1 on the side by itself. So I got to get rid of this, this, and this. And I would do them one at a time. Let's start with the things outside the bracket. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. That'll get rid of the 2 times a half is 1, so that's gone away. So I have 2a is equal to h, b1 plus b2. And then I'll divide both sides by h. That'll get rid of the h's there. So I'll have 2a over h is equal to b1 plus b2. And I want to solve for b1, so now I'm going to subtract both sides by b2. So I'll have 2a over h minus b2. Do they have that? They don't have that. But I could do a common denominator. So if I wanted a common denominator of h, because this one would just be 1, right? So if I multiply the bottom by h, I have to multiply the top by h on that term there is equal to b1. So since I have a common denominator of h now, I have 2a minus b2h. Do they have that one? Oh, yep, right there. Here's another one. So this one they say, solve that equation for n. This one's a little tougher though, because to solve for n, I've got two n's. So I have r is equal to ne minus nr. So if there's two n's, what I need to do is try and get one out of them. I can't just move this term to the other side, because you can't express, if they say solve for n, you can't have an n on that side. So the way you can get one n is to factor. So if I factor this and this, they each have a common n. So factor an n out, leaving me with n minus r is equal to a capital R, and then divide both sides by e minus r. So I'll have n is equal to r over e minus r. Do they have that? Yeah, that one right there. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one.